Curious about how to deal with MQB OKLost? This is one of the highest risk key programming jobs. One wrong step can lock the BCM or the immobilizer completely. Today I'm using OBDSTAR G3 to walk through a complete OKLost procedure. Welcome back to Godiag Lab. This time we use OBDSTAR G3 to perform the MQB OKLost. Enter emo, find Volkswagen, Audi, Skoda, Seat. Enter, menu select system and choose Volkswagen. Find MQB dashboard. You see the all keys lost option on the fourth line. Read ECU info to make sure the connection is working. Then you got the information of the ECU. Press OK and you will go back to the former interface. Read emo module data. Choose blade here. The TCM we have is the MT, manual transmission. Read dashboard emo data. Find the matching dashboard we have. Before we access the next step, let's check out the wiring diagram. According to the diagram and finish the soldering process. And make sure the whole connection is done as the diagram shows. Then we create the diagram and tap read all data. In this interface, we read the P-flash data and D-flash data. Save both files. After finishing reading the data, go to parse emo data. Click start and load the P-flash file we just got. Then load the D-flash file we just got. And now save the emo data file the system calculated for you. Then remove all the soldered wires and recover the dashboard to the original circumstance. Then we read ECM emo data. Find ME17522 because this is the one we have here. Enter. We use MP001 here. The system shows we need to connect MP001 first. According to the diagram, connect the ports to the TCM, MP001, G3, and a 12-volt power supply. Click connect. Read emo data. We will get EEPROM data and flash data here. Save both of them. Now we get a new emo data. Click emo data decryption. Load the flash data file we just saved. Then load the EEPROM data file we just saved. Okay, the system calculates the emo data for you. Save the file. And now we can click disconnect. Yes. Back to the earlier interface. Calculate sync code. Blade. Start. Load ICEM-CS. Choose the emo data file we got from the dashboard. Then load the emo data file we got from the ECM. TCM WO emo. Okay, the system calculates the sync data for you. Then save the data file. Back to the earlier interface. Make dealer key. Start. Load ICEM-CS. Load the data files from dashboard first. Then load synchronization code. Choose VW. OK. Put in a blank key fob. OK. Now you get the new dealer key. Back to the earlier interface. Program keys. Load ICEM-CS. Load the emo data from dashboard. OK. Enter the number of keys. Here we type 1. Blade. Put the new key around ignition sensing coil. OK. Switch the ignition off. Switch the ignition on. The dashboard shows 1-1. MQB OKLost is not really a tool test, it's a system understanding test. Alright, you just learned how to deal with MQB OKLost. What else you want to know? Let us know in the comment. If you think our video is useful, save it to your list and please give us a like. Understanding to hands-on, easier to master tools. I'm Yasser from Godiag. Follow us for more information.